TV Muthegi wa Ruriri.
The Mwalimu Plus Learning Management System, an education management tool that fits in with the country's education system and allows schools and parents to monitor students' progress effectively. From tracking and reporting to providing resources and effective learning tools, teachers and parents alike will be in the loop of each child's progress. With Mwalimu Plus, schools will not need to invest heavily in infrastructure. That's because the system offers the necessary tools, tablets and the software at a great cost to enable schools get off successfully. Things are changing and the Mwalimu Plus Learning Management System is at the forefront of this change.
Tafarira ya mwigariko wa mathako na iria igukinyagira oro muthenya wa Jumamothi miarahuko.
Has a go, brilliant.
Timu ya Manchester United nayo inapoteza ndo ugagi methakite ina game 12 itari irahotwo cia ligi.
Ndaigua ndagweta horo wigi kirumi gia timu ire ya inyuothe mwatheka pira kuringana na uria nie njui na watho wa FIFA fati guthaka under natural condition haria turehaga athaki timu cia mupira anyiti itemi mathako matiganite.
Hii ndio ile ngumi na ukata kona namna hii.
Na guku tutioyaga gathako na ithako mathako mothe haha niho tukurehagira na njira iria yagireire.
Kila tunapopitia majaribio maishani,